Hi guys! Today we're making marinated skirt steak. And this skirt steak is so tender, juicy, and delicious, and it's made with Asian flavors, which most of you may already have all the ingredients in your pantry. Just let it sit for a few hours or overnight, toss it on the grill, and it doesn't get more easier than that. So let's get started. The ingredients we're going to be using today are 2 pounds of skirt steak, half cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 5 garlic cloves minced, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. In a bowl, mix together all the marinade ingredients, which includes soy sauce, rice vinegar, oil, brown sugar, garlic, and black pepper. Mix until well combined. Place the steak in a resealable Ziploc bag. Pour over the marinade. Seal the bag while squeezing all of the excess air out of it. Gently massage the meat so that the marinade is well distributed. Let marinate for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. You can remove the steak from the fridge 30 minutes to an hour before cooking. Preheat your outdoor grill to high heat and remove the steak from the marinade. Cook steaks for about 5 to 6 minutes per side or until desired doneness. If you don't have an outdoor grill, an indoor grill pan will work just as well. Look at that beautiful golden brown color that forms on the edges. Let the steak rest for at least 5 minutes before cutting. You want to make sure you cut against the grain to achieve optimal tenderness. I have to give thanks to my hubby. He bought me this new Hinkle knife set, and honestly it makes slicing so much easier. I guess this was an exchange from cooking him so much good food, right? To see the full written recipe, go ahead and read the description below. And there you have it. It was as simple as that. I absolutely love this marinade. You've got the saltiness from the soy sauce, tanginess from the rice vinegar, and a hint of sweetness from the brown sugar. And most of all, it's kid approved. I wish you could taste how tender and juicy this is. I hope you guys try out this recipe. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't miss out on any of my simple and delicious recipes. Hit that red subscribe button below. Feel free to check out my other recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.